I don't know what it's almost for something that gone about just nothing. Let them do something. That's also about yeah. The whole Anambra way.
Yes, I was there. But nobody was there, and only Aradero is not. So in a month for you to leave this place open with nothing. So Munedaluna, I know na Oroma Titi Anam. I know that their health facility. So complain too much. Starting from ambulance. If I have the ambulance, so maybe will you be not being a keke ambulance instead of a proper ambulance and all that. So mommy na manager ba bonyi here. All bani katago, all katago this keke. O maybe eta aloyechi. So Orapia knows on doli focus if there. If I have Oroma alam, I'm Nigerian government and all these their long building. This is the same way they build their schools as well. Alwa no torogono go acquire one terrible zinc and all that. Let me show you inside. What the people now can go see now? Bed they are nothing. The little did are the very dirty, or the very dirty. So this is Oroma Anam Hospital. Now from there, take a closer look. You know, you see, never hang game mother there. Now different people need dinner. This thing alone can give you disease. Now the fene member. Oroma Titi. Yeah, this is the hospital. So mommy there is nothing, absolutely nothing. No fan under the Feni na bachago dust. Or bench Oroma Titi, the only hospital in wherever. This entire community, cutting out yourself. Sitting ever you. Mommy in a back, a toilet, a bedroom, or whatever na salo. So onye no watching got toilet. Ni mafia corner, you have to go into the bush. Onye obana no eba no one. Chole got toilet in a Jenny mafia. So the woman the lady na manager the previous one IJ MH because I want to feed there. Keki gets in a run no go when they feed so onye na managing calculus but mommy na manage eba jisiri ike. Now pay on a daily basis. On a treaty Monday, arrow, adero, Nigeria ego. So when on a back, what's known with contractor? There is a contractor in a contract called toilet ever since 4 years. The man had a pick his phone for 4 years. Now can you mother contract? Yellow toilet in a bedroom, no for 4 years. As not a pick his phone. A boy or man pick, man. I'm made that can be a Kaichoya. People are talking about the equipment. Probably ever people na got toilet. The toilet and somebody contract a toilet for 4 years now, also. The government in area the contract all their Jews here for 4 years. I don't know if you are getting the point. All contract Anambra State government in your mother Ifa. Look at Unogu Anambra State in our hospital for 4 years. Ifa. For 4 years, you can about this toilet now. And the contractor they pick. The woman in charge of ever. Us no na Christmas. She was taking care of all of them, even in the Nigeria. So Anambra State government and I construct a toilet for this community since 4 years. The contractor they pick his phone, but I go find them the number of the contractor can boy direct can malo issue. So it's a shame. No toilet go. And this is go there. Nigerian government no gonna go build now, madam. This is the same way they construct their school. Alu gonna go na acquire zinc, buy paint. And in the end, they will tell you it's ultra modern hospital, ultra modern school. They don't know what ultra is. They don't know what modern is. I don't know. I'm just showing you so you know. We've made a lot of sacrifices today, and we'll continue to do that. You know, it's a shame. Hospital, a place you can see with convenience, with comfort, and all that. We are only but these things are not there. Absolutely nothing. And the nurse in charge in the back, all the very emotional. Also, big up on a video too much. Nothing is going to happen. Local government chairman, commissioner, everybody, nobody wants to listen to them. It's a shame. This is the hospital room. This is the hospital room from the outside. Fini now to go out of it. Ever can you beat them now? There be an news star. I won't wiki see mafia, but ever about to win on a bed because everywhere they open. Even staying in this hospital is very risky. If I bush and they're not covered, the hospital will be empty. Anything can happen. So when you are wherever you are, in Canada, USA, Austria, Germany, France, China, South Korea, Japan, where things are functional, you should also remember our people. Life here is not worth it. You know? Every time a Nigerian government in our own hospital, they'll just do something long, acquire zinc, buy a paint. I don't know if they have for no defa. They cannot do something sensible. Among other architects in how they use everything, long buildings, roof, and paint. You know, within a short while, everything will be gone. I don't know where we'll go from here. This is a hospital. You know, Oroma ATT. In Anambra West. Anambra State of all places. It is a shame. Let me once again show you the ambulance. Because I'm going to individual Anambra, Igbo, but all Mommy has named the ambulance. Yeah, village. And we can manage Ubo if you tire no Ubo on a phone. One thing I can tell you that they are with dedication. They want to work. I've got them train us is back at mother turn or standby. You know, working tirelessly. So I don't know where we go from here. People are saying that this one is even finer than the one in their village. This is to tell you that Igbo land is in a mess. We need to do something about it. We need to do something about Igbo land. Igbo land, they decay. I don't know where we go from here. Let me show you the roof again. If I have the roof of healthcare facility, you know, Ije local government chairman for the cast to lobby. Ije commissioner for the cast to lobby. Ije their House of Rep members and all that. Ije their House of Assembly members and all that. I don't know where we go from here. I don't know. It's well. It's well. So. Mommy, thank you very much. God bless. Thank you. So we are going to convey the information in a month. So it shows that you are doing something good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you very much.